I'm Taylor Braungart. I am a chemical seed and fertilizer dealer in Bowling Green, Missouri. Our approach is to figure out what they have going on in their particular fields and customize our product portfolio or whatever solutions we think they need directly based on their farm and not just a broad acre. We're trying to be very progressive. We want to know what the latest technology is on the market. We want to know, what can we do that maybe hasn't been tried before on this particular farmer situation, and can we do things to keep trying to push the yield level higher? So a big thing for me is I want a product that I can be dependent on for consistency. I want to know how it works and why it works, not just a sales pitch of you put this product on, you're going to get 5 more bushels per acre. I want to know I put this product on because it has an interaction in the soil, whether it's a soil particle charge or it's affecting biology, and actually how it gets into the plant. So I know better how to place it and where it's going to work and where it's not going to work for a grower. With the current market, we have low crop prices. We still have fairly high inputs. We got to be as efficient as we can. We got to get the most out of every product that we're using. So being able to add, nutrient enhancement products to get more products, to get more nutrition in the plant is really crucial, and make sure we're not overspending on anything that we're doing. NutriCharge has been a really good fit because, one, it's super easy for most of our growers to use. If we already have a existing, say, liquid fertilizer system, we can add it in there at a low use rate. But on the back side of it, we do a lot of tissue testing analysis in addition to just yield components, and we can actually monitor what's happening within the plant after we make applications, and we can start seeing how we're moving the needle and what we're actually affecting. AgroTech is super easy to access information and rep support, and actually getting a hold of the product. And then it's a product with an easy entry price point to a grower. It's very easy for me to go to a new prospective grower especially and introduce a product that I can both explain why it's going to work and how it's going to work, but also show it's not going to break the bank to get it on the farm, but the potential return that we can get on the yield side and the ROI side is tremendous for most of them.